Hi and welcome to this video on a detail on a Golf GTi. My name is Matt Jones from Bedford Valeting and Detailing.com, and this video gives a good insight and example of why you should use an independent detailer to work on your car. The detail itself was an enhancement detail which was priced up without any inspection on the vehicle on the basis the car was in a relatively good condition. Upon seeing the vehicle, it was quite apparent that the rear quarter had been repaired from silicone and fish eyes within the paintwork, and the polishing job on the car afterwards was to a low standard. It was that bad that the roof itself had a haze across it, which you can see from the photograph, which was actually overspray. This was the thickest part of the overspray, and it actually took over an hour to remove the overspray from the roof, the boot and the near side of the vehicle. After the overspray was removed, the cobwebs and the swirl marks and buffer trails that are left from the polishing and the poor repair were corrected and made to look as they should. So if you're looking for an enhancement detail, a correction detail, get in touch with an experienced detailer who can put your car right or do the job properly in the first place to the standard which you are looking for. I'm Matt Jones of Bedford Valeting and Detailing.com. Please do click on the contacts button or email us if you're looking to get your car looking like this Golf GTi.